Hi friends, in this video we will learn how to create free Microsoft Azure account. Okay, let's go to any of the browser, search for Azure. The very first link you will get Microsoft Azure official website. Click on that. It will take you to the Azure homepage. So here you have an option to create the 12 months free account, so which is provided by Microsoft for free of cost to explore the Azure cloud services for 12 months. Okay, let's go ahead and click on start free. Okay, now you are getting an option to sign into your Azure account. So if you have an already existing account registered with Microsoft, you can click on this link and proceed with the further steps. And if you don't have an account, you can create a new account, just a link provided in the bottom. And if you have a GitHub account, you can use that account and log into Azure. So since Azure is integrated with GitHub, you can use the GitHub credentials as well. So let me try to log in with my email ID and see what happens. I have not registered this email ID in the Microsoft Azure. I'll just try to log in to show you what is the error you will get. Click on next. See, it is validated and confirmed that this email ID not exist in our inventory. Let's click on create new account with that email ID and enter the password. So I'm just entering my password here. Click on next, and on your email you might have received a verification code. Just open up your email inbox and look for the email from Azure. Okay, that is the OTP we have to enter on the form to proceed with the further installation. This will validate your email ID. Okay, here we have to enter the captcha code. Click on next and proceed after entering the captcha code. Okay, so on the next form you have to enter your country and first name, last name, email address and phone number, and which company you work for if you want to reveal, and you can put it as always personal, and the phone number. Let me click on next by skipping all these options, but phone number is mandatory here, we have to enter. You can skip the PAN ID and organization if you wish. Yeah, even organization is also mandatory field, we have to enter some information there. I'm just entering my mobile number, and I say it's a personal account. On PAN I'll leave it as empty, it's not mandatory. On the next screen we have to verify our mobile number by entering mobile number and click on text me. You will get one OTP. Just enter that OTP here and click on verify code. That will validate your mobile number, which will be linked to your Azure free account. On the next screen, so you will have to enter the credit card information here. Azure won't allow debit card like AWS. You have to enter your credit card details here. So they will deduct 2 rupees from your account. Again, they will return that 2 rupees back to your credit card. Just for validating the unique accounts, they verify the credit card. So click on sign up once after filling all the details. On the next screen you have to give the feedback whether you are happy with the process. So I have given the feedback and clicked on next. So now I have logged into Azure portal after the completion of the setup. So here they also provide the training for the new users. You just have to select the suitable time and location. Based on that, the pre-recorded videos of the demo sessions will be conducted for the new users. So that is a form they have given over here. So I would like to skip this option and proceed further. Okay, so this is the Azure home page which is getting launched now. So on the home page itself you will see various options here. On the right hand side you have your account details and the credit free account 13,300 you got it for the 1 month use. So for 31 days it will be valid. After 31 days you will have other free services available. So for first 30 days to explore more options on Azure, they give 13,300 credit for you. Okay, this is the cloud shell. It's a command prompt on the cloud. This is the filter option, directory plus subscription options, and various other services. You can give feedback on the home page itself. So various other options available on the home page of Azure portal.